Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your Facebook Marketplace, you see an error that Facebook Marketplace is not available for you. So let's see some possible fixes for that. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. And and after that, you just have to go back, open your settings app here, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Then go back. I recommend to make a software update. If you find any pending software update, try to update the software. Go back from here, open your app store, search for Facebook, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Facebook app. Or if you find any pending updates here, try to update your app. After updating, go back from here, open your Facebook app and retry to open your marketplace and to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to check that if Facebook marketplace is available in your region. If it's not available in the region, so there's the only way you have to use VPN. You have to connect VPN to the country or the region in which the Facebook marketplace is available, or if marketplace is available in your country or region, but you're facing the issue that marketplace is not available for you. So you have to open your Facebook app, tap on your menu option in the bottom right corner, then tap on the settings and privacy, tap on settings here, tap on content center, select personal details, select date of birth, and you have to make sure that you have set it up your date of birth more than 18 years. If you find that your date of birth is not set it up more than 18, so you have to try to update your date of birth by tapping on this edit option. After updating your date of birth, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to make a forced restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. And to do that, you have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and retry it to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your Facebook app here. Very first thing, you have to try to offload your app. So go for settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Facebook app here, and you have to try to offload your app. So if there will be any bug or any malware with your Facebook app, it will be fixed in this step. After that, you have to go back and retry. If you are still facing the same issues, there's the only way. Open Facebook app, then tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner, tap on help and support, tap on report a problem, then select continue to report. Select include, then look for marketplace here, select that, and here you just have to simply describe your issue. You can also try to take screenshot or upload any screenshot from your phone, or after describing your issue you just have to tap on the send option in the top right corner and your report will be submitted to Facebook support team. After that they'll respond to you or they can directly fix your issue and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.